Hi there. Now we're going to begin your third Scratch project, which will involve conversation. Conversation means that your sprites are speaking to each other and one is actually waiting for the other one to finish. There are two different ways that we're going to look at this, but first of all, you can watch the animation. And then I change scenes and start a new one. And then it ends. So you saw how the voice bubbles just went back and forth to show a conversation. To see a couple of examples on the Scratch website about conversations, you can go to the Help menu, and then over here on the right, go to the Scratch Wiki, and then type in conversation. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 types of conversations on this website. For our project today, we're going to concentrate on only the first two. So you will use the broadcast method for one of your conversations, and you will use the broadcast and wait method for another part of your conversations. When your project plays out, you won't be able to tell the difference between the two. So when I grade it, I'll have to look at your code and make sure that you followed the instructions for the appropriate type of broadcast. The first broadcast shows that we click the flag, we say something, and we broadcast to the next player. The next player receives the broadcast, says something else, and broadcasts back to the first player. So they go back and forth like passing a baton in a relay that only one person can talk. The broadcast and wait is very similar, but the first sprite says something and then broadcasts and does a broadcast and wait for the next one to talk. The second sprite will not have a broadcast in its code. So let's review that. In the broadcast method, they each broadcast back and forth. In the second method, only the first sprite does the broadcast because they wait, and the second sprite will not have a broadcast in the code at all.